Hello everyone, this is M. Pawan Kumar from Triple E branch, first year. So, today my subject is about MTT, Mathematical Transformation Techniques, and the conceptual video is mainly about the video signal coding by Laplace transformation. So, how can we signal generate the code by using the Laplace transformation? So, let's go to the topic. So, in this transfer function, the first of all mainly it was about video signal coding by Laplace transformation. So, this Laplace transformation with signal coding. So, this is the main function. The transfer function of CT system can be found from analysis of. There are three transfer functions. Means in this transfer function there are three steps: differential equations, and block diagrams and circuit diagrams. So, let's see the. So, in the transfer function, a circuit can be described by a system of differential equations. So, this is looks like the electric circuit's loop diagram. So, in the same manner, because we want to main the circuit with signal coding, so that's why we are using the circuits. So, this is the V voltage plus and minus. This is the loop equation. There was connecting by resistors, two resistors and one condenser. So R1 I T plus L to the power of d by dt I1 I2. This is the equation of the transfer function. So we can simplify this by using the V equation into this side. So if we send the V equation, V e to the power of t, so L d by dt I2 plus t is equal to, this is the loop equation. After simplifying this, we can get this L is equal to d by dt I2 plus t minus d by dt it plus 1 by c, limits 0 to 1, limits 0 to t, I2 lambda d lambda plus b to the power of 0 minus plus r square I square t is equal to 0. This is the transfer function equation. So a circuit can be even be described by block diagram. So this is a block diagram of the signal coding. So there was given the given functions. So let's see. Bs is equal to s to the power of 1 by r1 plus r2. So if you simplify this block diagram, there are two steps again. R1 by L plus 1 by C. This was gives rise to plus and plus. This is the simplifying codes. So this is the R1 plus R2 1 by S, R to the S to the power of L by S. This is a simplifying block diagram. A circuit can be even described by the block diagram. Actually, the means we can simplify by using the block diagram. We can simplify the circuits. Without this is block diagram, we can't simplify this. Okay, and this is the transfer function. So a mechanical system can be described by a system of differential equations. Means here f of t k to the power of d dx to the power of t by t minus k to the power of s1 plus x1 t minus x to the power of t is equal to m1 xt t. So these are the mainly about the transfer functions. So or a system or algebraic functions, f of s is equal to k to the power of d s of s x1 is minus k to the power of s1 x1 to the power of s minus x2 s is equal to m1 s square x1 s. This is about the block diagram of the transformation functions. So here see, f of t is the system excitation signals and the velocity of mass m2, and x to the power of 1 to the power of t. Let's see here, the was having a small mistakes. Hmm. Velocity of mass m2, x to the power of t, and responsible signals y to the power of t. So uh, system at rest position means here the block diagram is when the system is at rest position, m1 is equal to, these are the block diagrams about the signal coding. Already we see that the video signal coding by Laplace transformation. So these are the black diagram of the signal code. m1 is the mass and k is the constant of the resistors. uh, this is the way. So system in motion means the first block diagram is about the system in rest position, and second diagram is about the system in motion. So these are the equations or system block diagram or algebraic equations. This is mainly about. So the about system stability. System stability is very important in this video coding decoding. So the system stability is very important, and a continuous time of LTI system is stable if its impulse respond to its absolute integrable, and this is translated into the frequency of domains as they require that all the poles of the system transfer function must lie in the open left left half plane of the CS plane. So the PP PowerPoint I think so. So this is the code 7675 and 676. So open left half plane mean not including the omega axis. So this is about the system stability. These are the 4 points will mainly about the system stability of video coding by the using of Laplace transformations. And system interconnection. So they means how to say, in every video signal decoding by using the Laplace transformation there was interconnection. Without interconnection we can't, because not all are the external connections, so sometimes we have to use the internal connections. Everything will depend upon the internal connection. So these are the codes where cascade and parallel, these are the two steps. So let us analyze the feedback of the system. So if the operational amplifier low frequencies again, the A0 is very large, which is usually is that, then the overall amplifier gain reduces the lower frequencies. So this is about the frequencies and the operational amplifiers and the frequency. Means here the analyzing of feedback system is telling about the, if the operational of amplifying in low frequency gains A0 is very large, which is usually, then its overall amplifier gains reducing the lower frequencies too. So these are the two equations. V0s is V0s by V1 VIS, it's equal to, it gives rise to Z of SS and Z of IS. The gain formula based on the ideal operational amplifiers. This is about this, and so here the analyzing of feedback system. The amplifier gains it increasing any sound entering to the microphone, make a stronger sound from the speaker until at some gain level the return sounds from the speaker is large as originated sound the microphone at the point of the system. and goes unstable. So we already know the if how to say, means there was a hall, there was a meeting. We can't reach our voice to all the persons which were there was who are there in the meeting. So that's why we are using the mic, which gives our voice reduced by 10 times over, means 10 times next. So the mic was given to producing the speaking level and voice level, increasing the voice level mainly. So here's the amplifiers gains the increasing any sounds of entering the microphone as strong sounds from the speaker until at some gains of levels return from the sound from the speaker is large as originated sound into the microphones. At that point the system goes unstable. So, that's also about the unstability. So this is about the block diagram reduction. It is possible by the series operation of to reduce the complicated black diagram down to the signal blocks. So move a pick of the pick of point. Okay. This is about the transformation, means video signal coding by the Laplace transformation. This all was including the block diagram and video signal coding and voice signal coding and about the mic settings. Yeah. Thank you.